Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial for using the list of tables in the doctoral capstone template. This video will cover resources and available instructions for creating tables in Microsoft Word and using the doctoral capstone template, how to insert a table number and table title above the table in the main text, how to update the automated list of tables in the template, and what to do if you cannot format the list of tables correctly based on the available instructions. The doctoral capstone templates are available for download on the Form and Style website. Detailed instructions appear either in the text and marginal comments of the template itself, or in a separate instructions document that accompanies the template and is available for download on the same page. These instructions give detailed steps for how the template works and how you can use its various features correctly. The Writing Center website also includes step-by-step instructions for creating APA-compliant tables in Microsoft Word. For more specific questions, visit the Academic Skills Center resources for Microsoft Word, which include tutorials about tables, cells, and figures. Contact Word support at waldenu.edu or schedule a one-on-one appointment with the Academic Skills Center if you need further assistance. In the doctoral capstone template for your program, the list of tables is set up to update automatically. Note that the list of figures is not set up to update automatically. If you have figures in your document, type them in manually following the example in the template, or follow instructions accompanying the list of figures that allow automatic updating. For the list of tables to work, you will need to insert your tables in the main text with cells in columns and rows. In other words, it will not work to create tables only using spacing, tabs, or underlining and no actual cells. Inserting an actual table rather than manually creating the rows and columns will prevent errors if you need to adjust the margins later on. To format the table according to APA style, follow the instructions in Creating, Labeling, and Citing APA-compliant tables found on the Writing Center website. Here are the steps for adding the table number and title. Create a caption by selecting the table, then right-clicking on the table, Control-click on a Mac, and selecting Insert Caption. This caption is what will appear in the list of tables. Do not change the caption field. The table numbers will automatically update. Make sure that Label is set to Table and that Position is set to Above Selected Item. Then select OK. Press Shift-Enter twice to add 2 line spaces. Do not press Enter without pressing Shift as well. This indicates to Microsoft Word that the material should appear on the same line in the list of tables. Type the table title, select it, and assign it the Table Title style tag. Repeat this step for each table in the order they appear in the main text. After you have inserted the captions for each table number and title in the main text, you are ready to update the list of tables. To do so, navigate to the list of tables that came as part of the template, right-click on it, and select Update Field. You can update the entire field, updating table numbers and titles as well as page numbers, or you may choose to update page numbers only, leaving the table numbers and titles the same as the last time you updated them. When you update the list of tables, the table number and title will appear without a period between them. You will need to manually add a period after all table numbers in the list. In addition, the title will retain the italics from the narrative when the list of tables is updated. Once your list is finalized, select the entire list and change it to plain type. Add back in italics as needed for things like statistical symbols. If you cannot find an answer to your question in the available resources, contact Word support at waldenu.edu or schedule a one-on-one appointment with the Academic Skills Center for further assistance. You may also need to contact Microsoft directly for office support. We hope you have found these tips for updating the template's automated list of tables useful. If you have any other questions about formatting guidelines in the Form and Style checklist or any of the capstone formatting resources, please contact editor@waldenu.edu.